Picture this. What if I told you that starting today, you would never have to spend your entire weekend cleaning your house again? No more expensive storage bin. No more saying, I will clean tomorrow. And here is the best part. Your home could actually start feeling calmer, quieter, and more peaceful, without you even realizing when the change happened. The truth is, homes do not become messy because people do not clean enough. They become messy because clutter builds one tiny decision at a time. A coffee mug stays on the counter. Your keys land on the table. A shopping bag ends up in the corner. A charger gets left on the couch. None of these seem important, but together they slowly turn a peaceful home into a stressful one. Now, let us travel to Japan. Many Japanese families live in small apartments with limited storage. They work long hours, raise children, and live busy lives just like everyone else. Yet, the moment you walk into a Japanese home, something feels different. Everything has a purpose. The rooms feel calm, organized, and peaceful. Surprisingly, this is not because of expensive furniture or fancy cleaning gadgets. It is because of a few simple habits that stop clutter before it even begins. Habit 1. The one-touch rule. The idea is simple. Use it, put it back, move on. Imagine someone finishing breakfast in Tokyo. They rinse the bowl immediately and return it to its place. It takes less than 30 seconds. Now compare that to many of our homes. Bags land on the couch. Shoes stay by the door. Dishes sit in the sink because we think, I will do it later. That one sentence is where clutter begins. Every item left in a temporary place becomes another unfinished task. Over time, those tiny tasks quietly drain your mental energy. Japanese homes avoid this by making every object's journey short. Use it, return it, finish it. Habit 2. Leave the outside world at the door. Japanese homes often have a small entrance called the Genkan, where everyone removes their shoes. Yes, it keeps dirt outside, but it also creates a mental reset. Taking off your shoes tells your brain that work, traffic, and stress stay outside, while home becomes a place to relax. Even without a traditional Genkan, you can create the same feeling with a shoe rack, a clean mat, and indoor slippers. Habit 3. Respect what you own. Japan has a philosophy called Mottainai which teaches respect for your belonging. Think about your home: old chargers, broken cables, shopping bags, coffee mugs you never use. Instead of keeping everything forever, ask one simple question. Does this still have a purpose in my life today? If the answer is yes, take care of it. If the answer is no, donate it, recycle it, or let it go with gratitude. The goal is not owning fewer things. The goal is making room for what truly matters. Habit 4. Daily micro-cleaning. Instead of spending hours cleaning every weekend, Japanese families clean for a few seconds throughout the day. Breakfast finished. Wipe the table, coffee made, rinse the cup, water spilled, clean it immediately. Each task takes less than 30 seconds, but together they stop huge messes from ever forming. Cleaning becomes a daily rhythm instead of a stressful event. Habit 5. Give every item a home. If your keys are always missing, the problem usually is not the keys. The problem is they never had a permanent place. In Japanese homes, every object has its own home. Keys go in one bowl. Bags stay in one spot. Remote controls always return to the same place. When everything has a home, your house naturally stays organized. Habit 6. Think vertical, not horizontal. Japanese homes use walls instead of floors. Hooks, shelves, and hanging organizers save space while keeping rooms open. They also follow the idea of the beauty of empty space. Not every corner needs decoration. Sometimes, empty space is what makes a home feel peaceful. Maybe that idea applies to life too. We fill every hour of our schedule, every shelf in our homes, and every quiet moment in our mind. Then we wonder why life feels overwhelming. A clean home is not about impressing guests. It is about creating a place where you can walk in after a long day, take a deep breath, and instantly feel at peace. So, here is my question. Which of these 6 Japanese habits will you start with today? If you enjoy simple Japanese ideas that make everyday life calmer, more organized, and less stressful, subscribe to the channel and join me for the next journey. I will see you in the next video.